Hey everyone, today is Monday, July 15th. It is 83 degrees and 66% humidity. So it's wet out here. I'm sweating. I just started mowing the side hill here. It's long again. I'm behind as always. Got the Masport Rotarola out here. I was going to use the Honda, but I decided to stick with the Masport because I've been using the Honda at work and been mowing a bunch of weeds and stuff, and not that there isn't any weeds in the lawn here, but just didn't want to bring that stuff into the yard because I don't have a chance to clean it. It's supposed to storm in about an hour and a half, so I got a lot of mowing to do. So we're gonna roll at it. I'm doing double doubles, but as opposed to going this way and then 45 or 90 the other way, I'm going straight in. I don't know that I've ever actually mowed this way before. Been that good. It's okay. You can see the grass is starting to stress out. We've been in the mid 80s for a week now, which is pretty hot for us, and high humidity with no rain after all the rain that we've had. But it is supposed to rain today, so you can see that there's a little bit of heat stress going on with the yard. I should have been watering. Again, I have not watered all year because of all the rain, but you can see there that the heat stress is starting to kick in. The pine tree is chewing up all the water there for the grass. So I'm gonna get this mowed and get the irrigation system on, get this watered, and then hopefully it'll rain, because if I water, it'll rain. If I don't, it won't. I'm not sure where to set the camera because I've never mowed this way that I recall. I tried to come off 90 degrees from the road. I don't believe I was successful at that, but we're gonna go with what we got. Hopefully the boss doesn't come home and run this over, because it's right in the middle of the driveway. By the way, in the Honda HRX 217 and the Masport Rotarola reviews, I'm not sure which one it was. Somebody commented in there I should try the Toro Pro Stripe. That's actually what I wanted, but I ended up with the Masport Rotarola. Two reasons. One reason for sure, I could not get the Toro Pro Stripe. I called about 15 dealers in Wisconsin. I know it's a Gulf mower. You can't just go to a residential Toro mower and get it, but it's not commercial either. It's Gulf. So I did call 3 Gulf dealers in Wisconsin at the time. Again, this was 4 years ago or 5 years ago. I don't know if they're still here, not here. I have no idea. But I only got a hold of one of them. 2 of them never called me back, and I tried calling a couple times and never heard anything back. So I was guessing that they just, A, they weren't interested, or B, they didn't have it. But the one that I did talk to said they didn't have it and they had no ETA and if they could even order it. It's like, how do you not know if you can't order it? But whatever. But somebody did send me a link to, I probably have the name wrong because I don't remember, but it's MTI or MDI. It's in Minneapolis, and supposedly they have it. But I already have the Masport. That's how I ended up with it. The Masport was also cheaper. But I really wanted the Toro Pro Stripe just because I'm kind of a Toro fan. I don't know why. I don't know. So anyways, that's why I don't have the Toro Pro Stripe. We have the Masport Rotarola. Let's get these, let's get this lawn cut, because we got rain coming. Again, this mower bags well, actually too well, because it's hard to get out. If you let it pack full, it's hard to dump out. I did a big no-no. I never do this. Well, apparently not never. I put this away with grass in it, which is not a good thing to do. Hey, it smells, makes a mess. I could smell rotting grass in the garage, and I was like, boy, the bottom of this mower deck must be horrible. So I flipped it up real quick, and it wasn't. It was the grass in the bag. I don't know how I did that. Let's get you realigned here. Too bad I didn't have the camera pointed that way. Just slipped coming up the hill. Fell right down. Held on to the mower so it didn't turn off, but these boots don't have a lot of traction. They're older than dirt, but that hill's pretty steep. And I don't usually push mow it straight up. So I fell right about there. So you can see there's definitely heat stress on here. It's been windy, and I think that has a lot to do with it, because even when we were getting a lot of rain, we had a lot of wind, and the grass would dry out. So I think wind has a lot to do with the dryness of your grass. So just remember that. Even if you're watering and you're like, man, I've watered enough, wonder what's going on with my lawn. If it's been windy, you're probably not watering enough. I think my phone is overheating and keeps shutting down. We got the side hill done here. We got to keep moving on. Rain's coming. It's hot. It's humid. Let's check this out. See what it looks like. So all in all, it looks pretty good. Definitely has some heat stress going on. Now I did spray some weeds and stuff, so that could be some of the burning of the grass. You can see there's a lot of heat stress going on down here in this area, but all in all, it's looking pretty good. Just to let you guys know, I did order some, what did I order? I don't remember now. Drive Accelerate to get rid of crabgrass, as I do have crabgrass in the yard here. I also have bent grass, but I think I have to smoke off the lawn in those areas to get rid of bent grass. I don't think anything out there will get the bent grass without hurting the Kentucky blue and the rye. But you can, but bent grass, bent, dandelion, bent, crab. It's just infested. It looks okay. There we go. I don't know what my phone was doing. That looks more natural. But you can see we got the Kentucky blue. I don't know what that lighter color I don't know what's going on. This is a disaster right now. We got to work on it. We got that side hill looking pretty good. I don't know if you guys remember. I'll try to put a picture of what the side hill looked like 2 years ago right here. It's come a long ways with just irrigation, fertilization, and herbicide. Yeah, that's right, herb. Good old herbicide. So that's what we got. We're gonna get cruising here because rain's coming. I'm gonna grab the weed eater, trim around some stuff, and then we're gonna unload the Toro and get some mowing done. As always, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you guys more than you know it. Please like, share, subscribe. Put any comments down there in the beep loops and I'll get back to you. Questions? Thanks, guys.